Today we are doing a Temu haul. It's the third time I've shopped on Temu. So I've got more hooks for the boys' room because yeah, I'm not finished in there. From the last video, I put up gold hooks in their room because I was like, their bedroom's dark blue. You can't go wrong gold. These ones. Later on in this video, I'm going to be fitting them in and then... But yeah, I got these gold hooks. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of them. Yeah, I got 5 of them. Next, I got, sticking with the boys' room, these like initials. Like, oh god. Like, yeah, I got J, got A, and I got E. There's A. That's the back side of E. But yeah, this side of E you can't see E. But yeah, there's E. I just think like I really think it's gonna look really, really nice in their room. Like really, really nice. I'm literally so excited to like just decorate the boys' room because like for a whole year I've been going in there and I'm like, you need to sort this place out. Next, I got this hairband, these pearl hairbands, because I'm really into like hairbands that look really pretty. Yeah, these type of hairbands. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, I also got these, right? These little things. What they are is, I am someone, I don't like cleavage. These are so good for like, if you've got like those V-neck shirts or dresses. This basically is like a little pin where you can like bring the fabric together. So let me do this a bit, right? So it's like a pin, you'll bring the fabric together like this, and then your V-neck or whatever, or your cleavage, gone. I was like, oh my goodness. I need this. It wasn't that much. I told you, my whole haul was £15. I also ordered some new bed sheets for the boys. These like dark blue checkered style. Yeah, so here's how it looks. And an update on the boys' bunk bed. So obviously you can see the bar's broken. We ordered new bunk beds for them. It's literally sitting downstairs in boxes. So very, very soon. It's a broken bunk bed, but we ordered new ones and they're downstairs in the hallway sitting in the packaging. So yeah, new bed sheets, new hooks for their coat, and new bunk bed. So I picked up the flash dust magnet starter kit because I have to clean my chandeliers and I thought like this might be good. So I'm like really hoping because I have to clean my chandeliers. So yeah, let's try this. saw these trainers on Shein. I think it was an advert, and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to have these shoes or trainers. It's these ones. Look at that. Don't you think that is so lovely? So lovely. Unfortunately, it's too small for me, but fortunately as well, right? I'm using both words, unfortunate and fortunately. My daughter, I showed it to her and she was like, oh yeah. So I'm going to give this to her because it doesn't fit me as I would like. I got a size 7 and originally I am a size 7. I'm not a size 7 anymore, not after having kids. It does, yeah, having kids does something to your shoe size. Again, they look really nice and my 7-year-old really likes them. These ones, do you see that? They look so nice. Why is it these basic unbranded trainers are looking nice? Like you're gravitating towards them more than the branded ones. Like you got, seriously, these basic trainers in Primark, Sainsbury's, no. Even in Matalan, I saw some trainers in there. They look like the Adidas. You know those Adidas trainers that are really like popular right now? Espadrilles? Yeah. They look like those type of trainers. And I was like, that's nice. So, which is nice for the bank. Do you understand? It's nice for the bank when these trainers look cheap, nice, and you look good. I believe these were either £7.99 or £9.99. It was definitely under £10. That's why I went for it. It was not over £10. So yeah, he's tried it on. He really likes them. I really like it. Oh, next I got clothes. These ones for my son. So they're like, you can see that line detail. Yeah, this one. You can see that line detail. It's slightly tailored. I probably have to try it on him for you to like see if it's, you know, how nice it looks. And then on the shirt again, yeah, you can see over here, it's got that line detail again. It's in a dark green. And yeah, just a shirt and a short set. Oh, this I have to like, it's arrived and my daughter seriously wants to try it on. But she got this vest set. Right, we've got a black and a white one. So it's like this. So you see that? So yeah, it's like a top. She has to try it on. Right now it just looks really odd. It looks really odd. Black and white set. Yeah, I like this white one. I like this white one. Really like this white one. Yeah, this is gonna look good. So yeah, we got this. I genuinely thought this was gonna be short. When she like picked it, I was like, okay. Like, we don't want short tops, do you understand? At one point she was telling me she wanted to wear crop tops. I was like, listen, we don't do crop tops in this household. No, don't be following everyone else, but we don't do crop tops, okay? And also, my kids are at a stage where I feel like the older kids are at a stage where you have to slightly like influence their style. You know, you have to lead them a certain way. If you just leave them or wear anything around, I personally feel like there's certain things that's just, it's not appropriate for people. I just personally feel like there's certain things you can wear. I personally feel like in my household, I don't want my kids to wear clothes that are too revealing, especially the girls. I don't know how boys wear things that were too, yeah, boys can wear things that are too revealing. Trousers dangling down while you're walking, that's too revealing. In this household, we are not about that. Yes, we wear proper trousers. They're growing and like I want to influence their style as they're growing, so they know what type of things to like buy. She also got a skirt from Shein as well that came with this parcel, but it's just like a normal black skirt, you know, the black skirt that young girls wear to school, but like a midi one. She wore it the other day out, really nice and like good length. Yeah, it was just really nice. It's a good length and she didn't have to like wear tights with it, which was really good because you know when you buy things, especially from like Shein, which I've like in the past I haven't heard great reviews, but I feel like they've elevated because the things I'm seeing advertised to me, I'm like, what? Well, let's try this out. And yeah, I've tried it out, and the only one thing I will say from my order is the shoes that I showed you in the beginning. These ones, they do feel very plasticky. That's the only thing I can say. Yeah, I don't know. Can you see that from the camera? Like, you can see it's very plasticky. And yeah, that's my Shein haul.